Hi, this is Satish from Review Director. In this video, we'll be doing unboxing of iPhone 12. This is iPhone 12 White 64GB model. Let's get started. Let me peel it off. Let me keep this aside. This is the phone itself. You can see the color is white. To be frank, it is not pure white, but somehow it is, I can say, cream white. There is no plastic protection backside. This is the phone itself. Let me show you the physical overview of this phone. So you can see left side there is a silent button. This is volume up and down button. This is power button. Actually, the small difference when compared with the iPhone 12 Pro is this metallic frame is not shiny, and I can feel it is very lightweight. The another difference is the cameras. So this iPhone 12 comes with two cameras. This is wide angle and this is main sensor. The small upgrade when compared with iPhone 11 is this iPhone 12 having the same OLED. It's like there is no difference between now 12 Pro and 12. The OLED also same. So what is the difference between 12 Pro and 12 is mainly camera and also the sides of the phone. Let's check what is inside this box. So this is a USB Type-C to Lightning cable, and also this is the paperwork and SIM ejector tool, and only one sticker. That's fine. Let me quickly set up this device. This is the power button. Just switch on the phone. Let me select Singapore. Let me connect to my Wi-Fi. I can see, yes, this. Yeah, just enter your ID, password, click on next. And hit continue. Yes, finally I completed my setup. Let's start my device. Yes, as many users knows, it is running on Apple A Bionic chip, that is A14 Bionic chip. This iPhone 12 comes with 4 GB RAM and different memory storage options. This one is whatever in my hand is 64 GB variant. You can opt for 128, I think up to 256. Let me check the settings and about phone. Yeah, you can see it's running on 14.1 iOS, and you can see expiry date. I activated today 2011-21. So the limited warranty expiry is 21/11/21. So I can get Apple Care. So don't waste your money. Don't go for Apple Care. If you have protector and screen protector and proper case, no need of Apple Care. So this is basically the setup. Most interesting part is these cameras. When compared with Pro, there is one camera less. 12 Pro having 3 cameras. We are missing 2x zoom and there is no sensor. In 12 Pro, the sensor is very useful to take night portraits and to get photos in the night. Very good. But basically, I'm not a pro user. This phone is really enough for a normal user. So let me take a few sample photos from here. You can see this is 1x. This is ultra wide camera, and this is 1x. There is no 2x telephoto lens, so you can go the digital zoom up to 5x. So definitely this is enough for the normal user, and as we know, the camera is really upgraded. Here are the few sample photos. You can have quick look. I'm planning to do a dedicated video on camera review, and stay tuned guys. I'm doing lot of videos. That's it guys. If you really find this video is useful and helpful, please hit that thumbs up button and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in my next video.